Hi guys, Jen here with How Jen Does It. John and I are headed for our 2-week grocery haul, and it is a haul. We are going to Costco, Trader Joe's, and Kroger, and I thought I'd vlog a little bit and then show you the haul.
And I'll be along for the ride.
John has a very precise way of packing the trunk. He's an expert, so it's nice when it's cold because I can just hop in and he does it for me. But when he's super busy in the winter, I have to come by myself, so I do it all. So it's kind of a nice trade-off.
Professional packer. I just want everybody aware of that.
We brought our cooler because it's 90-some degrees. Our Trader Joe's and Costco are on the same street, so that's why we can manage to go to both places at the same time.
This is how you feed some teens right here.
Yeah, they were on sale, so we stocked up. Whoa, whoa! What in the world? Oh, did you have your foot under the trunk?
See, that should not happen though, if you really think about it.
Yeah.
Like if your head is underneath of it, it shouldn't go down automatically.
Yeah, really. You would hope not. Yeah, anyway, we're going to hide some of the chips. We still have some things left from our last haul, but we stocked up because those are on sale. Okay, this is everything from Costco. We didn't need as much this time because if you watched my last 2 hauls, we got a ton of stuff. So we just got some things that were on sale and meat and things that we needed. I have some blueberries, strawberries, bananas, milk. We've got a big thing of chicken breasts. We're having company again. I just can't afford to get organic when we have company because it's just too much chicken. But usually I do get that. Organic ground beef, ground turkey. We have 2 flank steaks in there. The pizzas that my son Josh likes, I've mentioned those before, and then I have pepperoni from Kroger that he puts on. Vitamin waters were on sale. We got lots of chips. I showed you guys the sign and they were so much cheaper. So we just stocked up. So we'll put some of these away for later. And we still have some of the snacks that we bought in the last haul. Ritz crackers, vinegar, and then these were on sale. You saw the sign for those, and my kids really like these. This is everything from Trader Joe's. I didn't need a ton from Trader Joe's this time. Sometimes we get a lot, sometimes we don't need a ton. And so I'll show you everything we got. I did find a new thing to try that I'm excited about. I got some dill for something I'm making for dinner, some apples, sour cream, vanilla almond milk. I got this crunchy almond butter. This is one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. I like the salted, and I use this to have for a snack with apples. I have some white kidney beans. Feta cheese is also yummy. Parmesan cheese. This looks really good. I love pepper jack cheese. I got this in my last haul, and I think we used it on tacos or something like that. I can't remember exactly. I think tacos, but it was really good. Hamburger buns. I am going to make some Greek style turkey burgers. I've never made them, so I'm just going to kind of make them up as I go, and if they look good, I'll show them to you. I have some French vanilla coffee, 2 packages of brown rice penne pasta. I couldn't remember if we needed it. I had it noted that I needed to check and I forgot. So we keep our extra pasta and stuff in our basement kitchen, and I forgot to look. Kalamata olives, some brown rice. I really like this brown rice. It's brown jasmine rice. It's really good rice. John got Black Forest ham, rosemary ham, and oven roasted turkey breast. We got some yogurts. I saw this, I think it was on Trader Joe's Instagram, and it's almond butter coconut yogurt. Yum. I think this is going to be good. So I'll let you know. I got 2 because I figured I would like it. 2 mango, a blueberry. I needed Greek yogurt for the burgers that I'm going to make, the Greek style one. Some raspberry and strawberry vanilla. We got fries. What I'm going to do with those, when we went to a Greek restaurant recently, it was like a Greek street food restaurant. I showed it on Instagram. You might be able to see it in my highlights, but they had fries with feta, and they were so good, and they were seasoned well. So I got some fries, and I figured I would do that with the Greek burgers and then put feta and season them. They also had a lemon wedge to squeeze on there, and it was so good. So that's one of my dinner ideas, but I've never made it before. So if it turns out, I'll show it in a what's for dinner video. I'm sure I'll figure it out somehow, but I just don't know what I'm going to do with it quite yet. I got some tater tots, mini beef tacos, and more blueberry waffles. This is everything from Kroger. I got some avocados, a big bag of potatoes, pineapple, cilantro, a couple of limes, red onion, some peaches, tomatoes. I have 2 things of rice noodles, cucumbers. I'm going to make a cucumber salad as one of the side dishes for when we have company. I got a personal watermelon. It was only $2, so I grabbed that. I'm going to do a fruit salad too, and that was on sale, so I grabbed that to go with it. I have some dark chocolate coconut granola, which sounds really good. John got his sweet onion salsa. I think this was buy one, get one free. We got a couple more yogurts, or a few more yogurts, I should say. Orange and cream, and then this one is vanilla chocolate chunk blend. We got 2 bags of tortilla chips. I think these were buy one, get one free too. I grabbed some conditioner for my boys' shower, corn tortillas. I can't remember if I said kale, but I got some kale, baby spinach, and then this spring mix, orange juice. We really liked this peach iced tea, and I get that when we have company in the summer. So grab that, and then 2 packages of the pepperoni that I mentioned before that we like. It doesn't have preservatives, so Josh uses that for his frozen pizzas. And then John loves this cereal, so we grabbed that, and that is everything. So we're going to put it all away, and I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hey guys, I just wanted to quickly let you know that I did make the Greek burger meal that I was talking about in this video, and I showed everything that goes in the burgers. You can see it here and how I made those. So definitely check out my cooking, cleaning, and answering your questions video and see how I made these. They were very good, and so were the fries.